gun runs about 320 FPS. It's quite nice. It is orange and black two-tone, but that's just because of the laws in the UK. Your select fire, you have full auto is in the middle, safety is up here, and the semi-automatic is down here. Your hop up is revealed in here. That there, that'll adjuster up and down to your liking. Okay, you have a 600 round mag here, high cap that comes with it. There is an Allen key if your hand gets sort of winding it. It's wind down here as usual. You can wind it with that. Your mag release is up here. You clip it in for the front bit in, then it clicks in. You have a retractable stock that folds in. Press that button there, fold in past the mag, nicely clicks in. Then you have a lot better for CQB. You can come up here, run in. You have your adjustable sight here. Goes right up to 80 metres. That's 80 metres there. You rarely use that, but you know it's not bad. You have your RAS rail in here for attaching a grip or a tack light or something. Rail mount here, sling mount here, another sling mount back here. It has a full metal gearbox. I think it's a V3 gearbox on it. And you have your nice comfortable plastic pistol grip here. It has quite a nice quality to it. And that's just about it. So thanks for watching. This is Airsoft M901C AKs-74u. Rate, comment, subscribe.